औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू करता हूँ जो बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम करने वाले। हमारे सब्जेक्ट का नाम करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट और इस वक्त हम यूनिट नंबर 7 को पढ़ने जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम एवेलुएशन ऑफ करिकुलम है और ये प्रेजेंटेड बाय मैं मोहम्मद सिफला खान आपसे मुखातिब हूँ और हमारा बीएड का कोर्स है जिसका कोर्स कोड नंबर 8603 और हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम अल्लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी है। तो आइए स्टूडेंट शुरू करें। सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन आपके पास आ रहा है ये जी। ब्रॉड स्पीकिंग द टर्म evaluation refer to the process undertaken to as, ascertain as to what extent the aim and objectives of particular program in education has been achieved, and if the objective has been achieved, what have been possible hurdles in achieving the desired objective. Before we discuss the concept of evaluation with refer to the curriculum, it seems appropriate to briefly describe the differentiation between the evaluation and management measurement. फिर है जी, evaluation of the curriculum of any specific course deals with all the educational outcome related to it, whatever the meaning deals specifically with those characteristics that can be easily quantified in evaluation. Such techniques may have been evaluated as may help in educational to analyze and assess the merit and shortcoming of any curriculum future. Any problem involved in implementing a curriculum successfully have to be identified and resolved in order to achieve its एजुकेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आते हैं इस चैप्टर के। वो क्या, आफ्टर स्टडिंग दिस यूनिट यू विल बी एबल टू नंबर 1 मेंटेन the main purpose of curriculum evaluation and extend to what an evaluation can be. Number second, analyze the goals and objectives of the educational program for relating terms to the evaluation. Number three, design strategies and methods for the evaluation for specific education programs in accordance with the need of the situation. Peter suggest meaning of improvement education curricula and process in the light of the evaluation of the programs. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास आते हैं एम्स of the curriculum evaluation वो है when curriculum innovation are introduced, it is important taken educators to determine their effectiveness, and assessment of any new program has been made to find out it by desired outcome and being achieved, and to what extent, if at all, it results in significant between learning done to existing program period. The use of the evaluation techniques should enable curriculum workers to make steady program process in improving the curriculum. उसमें क्या है, the major aims of the curriculum evaluation may be these summarized as follows. नंबर 1 पे जी हमारे पास क्या है, टू डिटरमिन द आउटकम ऑफ द प्रोग्राम पीरियड, टू हेल्प इन deciding whether to accept or reject a program period, to ascertain the need for the revision of the course content period, to help in future development of the curriculum material for continuities period, improvement curriculum so that the necessary changes can be made in the instructional program. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास है जी consideration in selecting goals, the criteria for the goals of education should be developed in the relation to number 1 get the value of the society as whose and individual as a whole and an individual members period, the history of background of the society period, the potential urge of the society to move forward and progress period, to present standard and ability of the student and hence the possibility of achieving the goals period, to educational institution and extend to teachability of the subject matter under study. उसके the different theories of learning period, maintainability of the goals if and when activity achieve a goal, the achievement of what is not measured in a verge goal. फिर है education objectives and their testimonies उसके as you will recall from the unit 4, the objectives are more precise than goal. Broad goals and analyzed and made more specific and useful, a building block for instruction. Although you have read about the testimony Although the unit number 4, perhaps it should be worth repeated the basic point against the taxonomy is a classified as scheme and as a relatively conceived model for the analysis of the education objectives. उसके बाद ये the cognitive domain is divided into the acquisition of knowledge, whereas the development of the intellectual knowledge and ability necessary to use knowledge. फिर ये more specified, you may remember the Bloom's category were as follows. उसके बाद knowledge, recall facts, concept, trend, generalization, principles, etc. Comprehensive understanding, translation, interpretation and explanation, application using the abstraction in particular concern situation, analyze, breaking down for clearing of thinking of element relationships and object organization, principal period system synthesis, producing a unique community by recognizing and rearranging the facts. Evaluate judgment in terms of number 1 internal evaluation, local, and number 2 external evaluation. Constant of fact is developed. फिर the effective domain ये है, as you have already read in the unit, will be in the unit 4. The effective domain is concerned with the value, interest and emotion. This domain has got the following criteria. वो क्या है जी? नंबर 1 पे receiving attention awareness, willing and selecting attention. number 2 पे responding, inquiring, willingness and satisfying in response. number 3 पे valuing, referring for a value of committing. number 4 पे क्या है जी? organizing as value of organizing of a value system. फिर है जी the characteristic of the value complexity as a generalization. number 4 पे फिर क्या है जी? the psychomotor domain. ये जी हमारे पास the domain is including the following: reflex, movement, function at birth, like strategy, stretching, shifting, relax, functional movements such as walking, running, jumping, pulling, pushing, etc. फिर है जी perceptual ability, visual and auditory discrimination, bending, bouncing, eating, writing, etc. Physical abilities such as sensual activity, moving quickly and wisely, touching tool stops and straining immediately, etc. Skilled movement, they include trying, sketching, filling, juggling, playing music instruments. फिर है जी हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स आता है जी to be more specific. The intent are indicated by the different goals of the people include ये क्या है? The observation refer to the perspective of what actually happened during the implementation of the program. number 3 पे क्या है? The standard depending upon the opinion of the external what happened. उसके बाद the judgment. The judgments refer to the feeling of the people about the aspect of the situation. फिर है जी course improvement through evaluation. ये जी in order to find out ways of improving a course to enhance learning, its effectiveness must be assessed. Data collection should include information what will help in evaluating the difficult areas of the effective outcome of the newly developed curriculum. Period. The most useful evaluation information is that which allows for adjustment and modification in the development stages of the curriculum rather than simply examine the end products only. This is of course would be deviation from the traditional test approach. तो फिर हमारे लिए ये हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 7 स्टूडेंट्स अख्ताम हम बी एड का 8603 कोर्स कोड था नंबर. और गुड लक टू योर फाइनल एग्जाम. मुझे दुआ में याद रखिएगा और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग मुस्तफ़ीद हो सके. अल्लाह हाफिज़. दोस्तों आप मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें जिसका नाम है सफ़ी ख़ान के नाम से, और मेरा ट्विटर हैंडल जो है इसे आप फॉलो करें जो है सफ़ी ख़ान मैजिकल के नाम से. इसके अलावा जो मेरा फेसबुक है इसमें आप मुझे फ़ॉलो कर सकते हैं सफ़ी ख़ान बॉस के नाम से. और इसके अलावा जो मेरा इंस्टाग्राम का पेज है वो है सफ़ी खान बॉस के नाम से। इसमें आप मेरी पिक्चर्स वगैरह को भी देख सकते हैं। इसके अलावा आपको मैं इस वक्त जो दिखा रहा हूँ ये यूट्यूब का मेरा पेज है। अगर आपने मुझे सब्सक्राइब करना है और आपने अब जब देखना है आपने मेरी पिक्चर्स आपने मेरी वीडियोस को लाइक करना है और इसे सब्सक्राइब करना है और प्रेस बेल आइकॉन का ज़रूर दबाना है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।